welcome to your weekend weather forecast. On Saturday morning, foggy conditions expected over the southwestern parts of the country. The northeaster winds picking up and causing Bergwind conditions to warm up the western coast, with Oosfeer warming up the northern coast of our neighbouring country, Namibia. Behind this cold front, an onshore flow of air will bring isolated light showers into Saturday evening to KwaZulu-Natal, later spreading into Mpumalanga around the eastern escarpment. Very early morning showers are possible in the Western Cape and here around the Southern Cape. On Sunday morning, a few foggy patches in the Western and the Eastern Cape with foggy conditions in KwaZulu-Natal and surrounding areas, cloudy conditions with light showers around the Eastern Escarpment and in the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Then we have the next cold front approaching the southwestern Cape. Ahead of this cold front, we're expecting Bergwind conditions to warm up the southern parts of the country on Sunday afternoon. Very isolated light showers are possible on a Sunday around the escarpment and in the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, mainly in the morning in KwaZulu-Natal, but otherwise a sunny Sunday for the rest of the country. Then on Monday, the cold front quickly weakening and sliding south of the country, foggy conditions expected over the southwestern parts of the country, as well as over the Highveld and surrounding areas. So then an onshore flow of air behind this cold front will bring very isolated light showers to the Overberg and surrounding areas on Monday, with windy conditions over the western interior. Taking a look at your winds on Saturday, southwester winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong behind the cold front along the eastern coast, and northeaster winds picking up over the western interior, causing those Bergwind conditions. Then on Sunday, we are expecting northeaster winds now around the eastern coast, spreading later to the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Southerly winds blowing fresh in the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Northwester winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong over the western interior, causing those Bergwind conditions over the southern parts. On Monday, northeasterly winds still blowing around the eastern coast, southerly winds now picking up along the western coast, northwesterly winds yet again blowing over the western interior. On Saturday morning, cold conditions expected over the central parts of the country with frosty conditions around Lesotho, but comfortable along the eastern coast where minimum temperatures will be around 15 degrees Celsius. On Saturday afternoon, cold conditions behind the cold front over the southern parts of the country, maximum temperatures staying below 20 degrees Celsius. But otherwise, we're expecting comfortable conditions over the northeastern parts of the country. If you are watching the URC rugby final at Loftus, you can expect a lovely 23 in the afternoon in Pretoria. But remember to take a jacket with because the evenings can get quite chilly. Warm conditions expected over the western coast on Saturday due to Bergwind conditions with 27 in the afternoon in Vredendal, 28 in the afternoon in Walvis Bay. On Sunday morning, another frosty morning here around Lesotho, comfortable yet again along the eastern coast. On Sunday afternoon, we are expecting warmer conditions now over the southern parts of the country due to this Bergwind conditions. 26 the afternoon in Gqeberha, 24 in George and East London. Cooler conditions now in KwaZulu-Natal over the Highveld and surrounding areas. Johannesburg reaching a high of only 19, but warm yet again along the western coast, 27 in Vredendal, 30 the afternoon in Walvis Bay. Then on Monday, we are expecting cooler conditions yet again over the southwestern parts, Cape Town reaching a high of only 18. Cool to cold over the central interior with 20 the afternoon in Bloemfontein, only 18 in Johannesburg, but comfortable here over the western part of 22 the afternoon in Springbok. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your weekend and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.